are a soldier of the mighty Horde. A disparate band of races united in their pursuit of freedom, honor, and glory. A Horde expedition sent to explore an uncharted island has recently gone missing. As a bold new recruit, you have joined a rescue mission departing from Orgrimmar. Find the lost expedition members and bring them home. For the Horde!
Look sharp, recruit! We're almost to the island. We need to be ready for anything. Show me your skill in combat. Fine work. Next week, Throg will spar with you for now. I must speak to the crew about the raid.
I'll take my position. Strike first and strike hard. Never run from your foe. Victory or death. Always face your enemy. I concede. Your strength will see our mission through. We will save the expedition. The Horde leaves no one behind. Warlord, this storm will soon overwhelm us.
Soldiers, brace yourselves! The Horde leaves no one behind. Recruit! You survived. We need to regroup at once. Recover our supplies. But don't fight too many Murlocs at once. They're dangerous in packs. Stay focused on our mission. Don't let your guard down.
My thanks. We'll find the expedition yet.
Mark my words. That storm was unnatural.
Quite the storm. Probably hit the first boat, too.
We won't rest until the expedition has been found. You three, search for more survivors. Recruit, you and I will push forward.
So hungry.
Wansa! Stay focused on our mission.
Should just said you'd be coming.
She's my daughter. Nothing could keep me from her. And as a soldier of the Horde, she knows we leave no one behind.
I don't have a target.
We got ambushed by the Quillboar.
We won't eat first. I won't let you recruit. Quillboar pose a far greater threat than Murlocs. You must be ready to face them in battle. Your next lesson begins now! Corruption will damage your opponent over time. Corruption is wearing off. Cast it again. Good. Let's go again. I have to know you're ready to face the Quillboar. Corruption is wearing off. Cast it again. Again! A Warlock can do devastating damage with proper use of corruption. Corruption is wearing off. Cast enough. You're ready to fight the Quillboar. Now we rescue our brethren.
There be bad mojo on this island.
The Horde leaves no one behind.
What be on your mind?
We'll head north to see what the others have found. Wansa, rest and regain your strength before joining us.
I'll be seeing you soon then. Your daughter be right to count on you.
The Horde never abandons its soldiers. I will not abandon...
Ah, good, you're here. The Quillboar are conducting some foul ritual. Of course, you come to me for aid. Keep yourself safe. Shirella.
We move, now. Those monsters have my daughter.
Shuja? I saw no sign of her. Perhaps she evaded capture.
One can hope. She rarely acts with such caution.
Sacrifices for the ritual. Target.
tribe will survive. Demise! Thorns! Thank you. Sacrifice! Sacrifice for ritual. Intruders! You will be our next sacrifice!
And that's why I always bet on the Horde. Let's... You must be Warlord Brekka, Soldier's mother. She always said you'd save our hides.
We're not safe just yet. Where are the others?
Remember the day?
No idea, but I got a way to find out. Make it sleazy. This here's a tiny version of the Choppy Booster Mark V. Just let me enlarge it. Okay, might have overdone it a bit. Hold on. Perfect! It ain't pretty, but it gets the job done. Can you hear me, recruit? Looks like the camera's working like a charm.
If it has a camera, then why does someone need to be up there?
I need a backup plan, in case your recruit gets dropped like a rock. Is this thing still on? Hey, pal! You accepted all liability by agreeing to this.
Be quiet! I see something!
We will take your soul and raise the dragon from the dead!
Cowards! Soon you will face the full might of the Horde!
Ha! Our dragon will crush them! We have other rituals to oversee. Savor the final moments of your life!
They're bringing a dragon back from the dead? Is it too late for us to run?
We do not run when our people need us. Find us a way through all of those undead.
Hey, you say jump, I provide the rocket boots. How about a giant boar?
Whatever you do, make it quick. My daughter's life is at stake.
You need it? I got it. I'll be seeing you later. Well, I promised a giant boar. Now we just gotta deliver. Huh. That ain't right. Let's see. Just gotta... There! Try it now! Oh! Who needs a giant boar when we can do that? Try it again. Now that's what I'm talking about! Let's get back to Grimmax.
stay focused on our mission.
Time is money, friend. When you blow up those zombies, remember that my proprietary invention made it happen. Hey, remember that little talk we had about liability? It looks like that rig is about to, explode.
Mother, I failed. Lord. Hang on, Shuja! Recruit with me! Lokar Ogre! Wretched ogre. Let's check on Shuja. Mother, I tried to stop the ogres on my own, but I failed. My strength was not enough. Shuja, the Horde is strong, not when we fight alone, but when we stand united. Now, tell me what's happened here. We must rescue the others. As you command. The ogres are using necromancy to raise a dragon from the dead. They need sacrifices like us to fuel their magic. They're about to start a ritual that will... It's already begun. They're going to use the life force they've gathered to reanimate the dragon. Then we must take action. Remember that when we band together, the Horde can conquer any challenge. We will bring an end to these rituals before the ogres can complete them. Lokar Ogre! These ogres will cower before the Horde.
Hello, man. Spirits be with ya, man.
Together, we can put an end to these rituals.
I'm here to help. For I am not fond of fell magic, but I trust that whatever you do is for the Horde.
Never a dull moment with... Let's see if we can find one of those rituals. A dark pit and darker magic. I think we found the ritual. I wonder if this island will kill me. You're the only hope those survivors have left. No pressure.
And make sure you be stopping that ritual.
A rescue party. Earth Mother, guide their path.
I will harvest your life force, and
and those who sealed me in here shall burn.
Thank you, friend. I will bear us to safety. Hop on. On-chain, watch over and protect us. Dark magic has brought ruin to this place.
Oh, good. You made it out.
You did good saving the survivors and killing the spiders.
Those spiders had their rightful home destroyed. They deserved better.
Well, if you be putting it that way.
You have a problem with spiders, Wansa?
You seen the spiders we trolls be dealing with? Sure, you'll not be a fan of them either.
I will do whatever it takes. I will join Bo farther north, where the Harpies roost. Meet me there.
Who dares to summon me? You cannot bind me. The bargain is struck. And I shall answer. Dispel the foul magic that binds me here. I attempted to bring an end to these rituals. But the ogres ensnared me, drained my power. Free me so I might recover. And pass some of my power to you. The spell is weakening. The light returns to me.
Freedom. You have my gratitude. Accept my blessing and end.
They seem to have captured a forsaken prisoner for their ritual. Persistence can win any battle. Stay ready. Take care of yourself.
Elements guide you. Herbert. He's I'll cut a path straight through these harpies.
Count me in.
Necromancy! A shame I must...
Dinner.
I've got your back. Let us strike them down.
You do not fight alone. Loktar Ogre!
Something big is coming this way.
Then we slay it together! For the Horde! The Horde will be victorious.
Power comes through focus. Maintain your balance.
We must rescue the others. Strength and honor. Well fought. We're one step closer to crushing.
will save the expedition.
The Horde has endured worse than this. Recruit! We push forward. The rest of you...
Many deals for a friend of the Grummels. Like you.
These ogres will cower before the Horde.
Need some forbidden magic? Ooh, a willing test subject. Such a rare find.
Good. Now act like an ogre and get us inside. Don't speak. Just smile and wave. The dumber you look, the better.
More sacrifices! Go to cooking pit! Wave at Gorgoth! Show what you got!
Keep moving. See if we can learn...
What do we have here? All the sacrifices we thought take them to the back.
This one got some moves. You dance good.
It is time to complete...
I said act like an ogre, not dance like one. Warlord Thunderwalker, we have to destroy those seals, now! Raw strength won't be enough. We need to end the spell. Together, we can put an end to these rituals. Be vigilant. For the whole, find them, and use them to free the Warlord.
I need to target something first. Stop it! Ye speak too soon! I'll say smash! Me smash!
You have my thanks, but we must still end the Ogre's ritual.
Well met. Goodbye. Go in peace. Farewell.
Let's move. I'll keep the ogres focused on me, while you strike them down! We've slain almost all of them! Keep fighting! All this necrotic energy. The ritual must nearly be complete! That's one of Gorgroth's bodyguards. What's our plan of attack?
Recruit! You strike first. I'll charge in after you. Let me...
We're gonna smash! You no stop ritual!
I'll draw his attention. Shoot him! Heal our wounds!
As you command. Loktar!
Never see Warcraft win.
Keep moving. Gorgroth must be close. Morgoth! Prepare to join your precious dragon in death!
Puny vermin! You will not stop the ritual! Not after all we have done! Grafnir will destroy you all!
Strike now! For the Horde!
Final sacrifice!
He's completing the ritual! Did we stop him?
Foolish ogre! You have given me nowhere near enough power!
Wakar! Victory or death!
Pathetic mortals! Your deaths will nourish me!
The ogres and their dragon lie dead at our feet, and the skies shine clear upon our victory. Recruit! Let me know when you're ready to leave this place. We must find a way back to Orgrimmar. The Horde has endured worse than this. Horde reinforcements! I knew they would find us.
Blood and thunder, soldiers! We've been trying to push our way past the storm.
These ogres will cower before the Horde. Stacia, mount a wyvern and fly home to Orgrimmar. Glory awaits us.
To think those brutes could wield such magic. If only I had more time to study it.
I am glad that you do not. This island must be allowed to heal.
Look! On the horizon! One of our gunships!
An impressive display of the Horde's strength. Those ogres would do well to run and hide. Come, recruits! It is time we return to our home.
Orgrimmar, bulwark of the mighty Horde. Standing as a symbol of pride and resilience, it is here that its citizens gather to barter goods and muster their strength. Their longtime rival, the Imperious Alliance, poses a relentless threat. But no foe can hope to stand against the fearless soldiers of the Horde. The undead Forsaken may be shunned by the living, But your people strive to rise above the ruins of the past and forge a new future. Azeroth faces countless threats. Bold heroes are needed to rise up and defend her. For the Horde!
We won't rest until the expedition has been found. For the Horde!
Speak, friend. Be safe.
Need help? Safe travels.
What joy is there in this curse?
What is it?
Where is that ogre-headed buffoon?
This better be important, Sylvanas. You know how I detest this place and its foul stench. Why call for me? Speak, friend. And more importantly, what are those scourge fiends doing here?
War Chief, so glad you could make it. With the death of the Lich King, many of the more intelligent scourge became unemployed. Those fiends, as you so delicately put it, are called Valkyr. They are under my command now. And they are part of the reason that I asked to see you.
Get on with it, Sylvanas!
Very well, War Chief. I have solved the plight of the Forsaken. As a race, we Forsaken are unable to procreate. With the aid of the Valkyr, we are now able to take the corpses of the fallen and create new Forsaken. Agatha, show the War Chief!
have done here, Sylvanas. It goes against the laws of nature. Disgusting is the only word I have to describe it.
War Chief, without these new Forsaken, my people would die out. Our hold upon Gilneas and Northern Lordaeron would crumble.
Have you given any thought to what this means, Sylvanas? What difference is there between you and the Lich King now?
Isn't it obvious, War Chief? I serve the Horde.
Watch your clever mouth! Chromash, you stay behind and make sure the Banshee Queen is well guarded. I will be expecting a full report when next we meet. Remember, Sylvanas, eventually we all have to stand before our Maker and face judgment. Your day may come sooner than others.
This had better be good.